3 people have died following a multi-vehicle crash in St. Anne. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and I'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. 3 people were killed and others injured in a 4-vehicle collision along the Dunn Road in the vicinity of Pearly Beach in St. Anne. It is reported that the accident happened around 8 p.m. Links 007 TV News understand that the passengers were traveling in an AD Wagon motor car from Falmouth Market. They all succumbed to their injuries. Others have been rushed to hospital. The identities of those killed in the crash have not yet been ascertained up to the publication of this report. Amateurs' videos of the aftermath of the crash have been circulating on social media.
Yeah, baby, we're there. Yeah, no. Range Rover, mash up. Give me number. Me have to call a while ago, man. To get the police and fast. The thing is, I pay fresh plate and
You have to go around the other side.
You ready, ba? Ready now? Not too close, man. Not too Everybody take out, them take out and gone.
Links 007 TV will have more details to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.